Hello, welcome back in my another video. Hope you're doing well, and in today's video I'm gonna show you what I got in IKEA the last week, and I must say I'm really glad I did this. I did this trip to the IKEA because looks like another lockdown is coming, so I think it was perfect timing for me. It wasn't really too busy. Well, the queue was quite big. You have the queue, but it wasn't like now. I've seen some of the Instagrammers post video from front of the IKEA. The queue was huge. Let's go back to the video. A kind of big chopping board where you can put on the top of your worktop and just chop without worrying about scratches, and I think it's just great. There's a bigger size as well. The one is called Lampling. I'm not sure the names in IKEA. They're just the good mystery about the names there. I think Swedish people will know. Anyway, that one, because Christmas coming and I'm thinking to do some cookies, so you don't need to worry about the worktop. There's not gonna be any cuts, and it's gonna stay nice and clean. Got this massive container, like there's a glass container with a plastic lid for like food. Sometimes maybe I can cook a little bit more and just save in that, and next day just heat it up. What is good about this glass, you can use in microwave, in the oven, and it's dishwasher safe. It's just perfect, and also storage as a storage for food in the fridge, and I think it also in the freezer. Wow, it's huge. We have a couple of smaller ones like that, and I absolutely love it. Here is the rug. This rug I got because I have actually here. I have from the IKEA, which got 5 years ago, 4 years ago, the rug, but that one, maybe you can spot the difference, is kind of yellowish. It's like a sheepskin, and it's alright, but it's kind of like filthy now. Obviously I still have some from the last trip, some bags, so I got the big ones, the 6 liters and 4.5 liters. Great use for everything: food storage, toy storage even. So obviously some pens, colorful pens, for my little one. I got 2 of these storage jars. I was thinking for kind of biscuits, because we have like that ones, just the glass ones, and we're keeping their coffee and tea. And I think for this one, maybe some biscuits, some sweets. They look very nice on the worktop, and we have like a black and white kitchen, so I think it's gonna go nice there. My husband chose some coasters. They're gold ones, so they're quite nice. I don't know where they're gonna, I think they're gonna go to the kitchen as well, because our living room have kind of copper vibe, so could go, maybe not. There's another jar. I got some sponges there. I think they're quite big, but I'm gonna probably cut them because I'm mainly using a dishwasher anyway, but probably I'm gonna cut them a little bit shorter. And I got some very, I think, interesting tea towels. There's a kind of a Scandinavian vibe here. Let me open them. I absolutely love tea towels from IKEA. I think from H&M are quite good as well. Right, so there you go, that's the first one. It looks like a kind of mountain. The other one is like simple pattern, like that. Beautiful posters. I was thinking to order them online before, but we finally went to IKEA, and this is absolutely epic. I don't remember the price, but wasn't really expensive, and there's 3 posters here. Here's like a Scandinavian or style, like a simple black and white road. The other one is the alphabet one, and for that poster we got some frames as well, which are in different room, and I also get the small frames I'm gonna show you in a second in the video for our bedroom, because I'm thinking to make small changes in the bedroom. Well, we're gonna get the new bed for sure. Now we have a double bed, but has to go because it's like 7 or 8 years old, and it's just you know it has to go. The mattress is doesn't work anymore, and I think it's starting to be a little bit moldy, so we're looking for a new bed now. And we have something on the eye, but we'll see if we're gonna get that one. We need to test, obviously. We have some mom, I think that's a mom nightstand that, you know what, you can't go wrong with the mom. People using them for any room, to be honest, and they look gorgeous. But I got kind of like it's like a shaker style handles, so I'm gonna just apply them. They're silver ones. I was thinking to go for black ones because we have a bed frame now, black one, but to be fair, the kind of metallic look is hard to achieve with the spray. Test some hooks for the wall, because I have some gold frames on like a chain, which I have to put on the wall for about 1 year, but I just couldn't find anything what I can put on, because I don't want to actually put on just simple screw, because it's gonna look a little bit messy. So I found that ones. I mean, they're gonna be right. Finally, I got myself a mirror. That mirror is kind of like a sleek, modern design. This is just for my dressing table here, because I have obviously a mirror that you can probably see in the video, but sometimes it's just, you know, you need like a little bit more precision doing makeup. So I was thinking to go for that mirror. One of my friends have it for years and years, and I always like it, but somehow I never got it, so I have it now. It's lovely. Obviously some arts and crafts for my baby sheets. So we're gonna do some probably Christmas. We have one board like that, but the difference is this board actually is a black. We have like that, just white one downstairs in our kitchen, actually, to just, you know, if you need to just put your shopping list somewhere. But for the office, because we're trying to keep the office kind of like a black and white vibe, put lots of pictures, black and white pictures. I will show you also that later. So we got this blackboard, looks like that in the back. You can actually put this way or that way, and once you're gonna fit this to the wall, you can really change the position however you want. And for that board we also got some magnets. They look like a kind of diamond shapes, I would say. So double pack like that, because we can use some of them downstairs as well. And there's like a drops, like a dark blue, midnight blue color, and white pen twice. That's it actually from our IKEA trip. Oh, we also got some pillows, but I left them upstairs. Now I'm gonna show you the frames what we got. So here I have the frames. It's 32 inches on 32. There's a square that's gonna go next to bed in our bedroom. The bed frame now is black, which is gonna probably soon change, but it doesn't matter, because I think I want to have like a kind of accent on the wall, because we have all white bedroom, we have white bedroom, IKEA packs, wardrobe as well, and the bed probably is going to be in like a light grey. So I think something with the accent, black and white picture in a black frame. The thing is, you can always change the color of the frame. That's not a problem. You can spray that in any color you want, but I think for now I really like it. And I don't remember the price of that, but I hope I can put them on the command straps, because sorry, not command straps, command strap nails command nails, or whatever you call this, because I don't really want to drill any holes in the wall. I got these massive frames. They're 50 on 70, and they have like a very nice insert moldings here. It's 40 on 50. That's how big is the poster, 40 on 50. So I think it's gonna look amazing in his room, and because I think I'm gonna keep his room still white, because he have a white room with little like a dots on the wall. I think we're gonna keep it white because this is like a nice relaxing vibe. You can always bring some color with cushions, pillows, or throw, or some little decorations, but I quite like a black and white, simple, clean look. So three of these picture frames from IKEA. They are, I think, kind of around £20 per one, but it may sound like it's a lot, but this is 50 on 70 centimeters frame, which when you're gonna go check online, they can be pricey, but they look really solid. But I think because they're quite heavy, because they're bigger, I'm gonna put them on normal screws, just to make sure they're secure and safe for my my little one's room. So here is my son room. As I said, this is the wall. You see, these stains are from that Halloween decoration, because my child actually stick it to the wall, and I think I will have to use this special spray to just cover that and just paint. I don't think this room really needs a paint, because this is a new house. We are living here for 2 years, and that room have quite a lot of light, especially in the morning, because in the morning we have a sun here. And but I think in a few places the walls need retouched. Definitely that wall is quite empty, so I will try to put it here. I'm spinning outside my window. I'm spinning outside my window. I'm spinning outside